as promised, the second version of the Bob Marley shot. No more talking, let's get started. Alright, so to start it off, we're going to use some grenadine. So now we're going to add the creme de menthe. What we're going to do, we're going to layer it onto the grenadine. Now, instead of mixing the creme de banana with the Appleton, we're just going to add the Appleton rum because it's already gold, so it works. This is what saves us a lot of times in busy bars. This is the one that I use at my bar whenever I get a huge order of Bob Marley shots. It's made fast and it has a kick to it, so everybody loves it. Hey, if you like this drink, just go ahead and give this video a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I'm sure they want to be able to create this, whether they are bartenders or just persons who love to drink. If you want to keep seeing videos like these, go ahead and subscribe to my channel as I make videos like these every week. See you next time.